Welcome to another segment of Your Opinion Matters. And on the show today, I have actress Riley Powell with me today. Returning on the show, actor, singer, director, Tyrone Jenkins on the show with me today. And also we have Mike Scott on the show, entrepreneur, owner of barbershops and record labels and all kind of stuff. And y'all might want to meet him after the show. But today's topic, I'm going to start off, guys. You know that the homosexuals, they got some laws passed, and they're doing their thing, and nobody's really mad about that. Let them do their thing. But the Israelites, they want their rights too. They want to be married to more than one woman in the United States of America. So I want to get your thoughts on men marrying more than one woman in the United States of America. And I'm going to start with the female. Riley, what's your opinion on this topic?
One man and one woman in this state. Too much.
Okay, I said in America.
In America. It doesn't matter.
You said in this state.
Okay. Well, I'm in this state, so I want to stay in this state. I ain't worried about what them other people doing. But we already got confused now, Larry.
Okay.
About the side chicks.
Okay.
What used to be what they call a mistress.
Yeah.
It's just too much going on now. Look at the lady that went to the White House.
Yeah.
Got in the car and then killed them.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
It's too much going on. I don't think we ready for
Well,
that.
what if she was told up front that, monogamy wasn't real and, in the beginning, because when you have that type of argument, people know up front. What caught her off guard is she didn't know up front.
Right.
So, my thing is just not to come to it, to go to it. If you open one door, whether if it's gays marrying, whether if it's blacks marrying, whether if it's black, you gotta look at the other doors that's gonna swing, what's gonna come in those doors when they open. So now once somebody say, hey, can homosexuals get married? Man, man, woman, woman. Now you got all these other people with the same beliefs, different belief system, but can go right through that same door. So we got to look at it when once one door open, a lot more things can come in under the same law.
All right.
Yeah, they call them consequences and repercussions.
Right.
But I mean, out the country, what their laws and rules, regulations is, that's what they do. It's an educational thing at the same time because we can't get along with each other as married man and woman. And then here, this guy over here can get 2, 3, 4, 5. But then there's understandings behind that law. You have to be able to treat them the same. No one gets treated no different than the other. For myself, I can't do but one at a time. I ain't trying to do 4, 5 because, in the United States, our money is limited anyway. So they ain't gonna allow you to do a whole lot of stuff with no money. The government don't want to give you no more than he want to give you, and he's trying to take that away from you. Over there, the money might be a little different. But the laws and the understanding is different. But for me personally, to each his own. Whatever works for you, blows up your zip and whatnot, cool.
Now, like what you said, I'm going to go back to you. We're in the United States of America. So if they're going to legalize 2 men getting married, 2 women getting married, then the Israelites have a point. Then why can't, if 2 women want to marry that one man, then why can't they get married? Because you've already broken some moral laws already. So you knew that when you did this with the homosexuals, and nobody's down in homosexual or anything like that. I want to get that straight right now. Love you to death, do you? But what I'm saying is, when the Supreme Court did that, you open up a box for a whole lot of stuff now. Because now the Israelites are coming saying, hey, why can't I have 2 wives?
Well, my husband can't.
You keep talking. Hold on, no, we haven't seen. But you keep talking.
Black women.
But
you keep talking.
Exactly.
You keep
That's gonna be a problem, Larry.
But you keep talking. What I'm saying is, let's go broader, general. Why can't they have 2 wives if the 2 women want to marry that guy?
That's a good point.
Well, let them have it.
Well,
But
actually,
you talking about America, or you talking about just the
I mean, I'm saying.
if they want to do
They
that,
hear
let
it.
them
No,
do it.
I'm talking about in the
They
United
hear
States. In the United States of America, 2 men can marry each other. So the Israelites are saying, I'm in America, so why can't I marry? Why can't we legalize me marrying 2 women?
okay.
No, I don't think that's gonna
Okay,
work. I'm just
okay.
sorry, Larry. I don't have too much to say about that, but that ain't gonna work.
I
What's
understand
going
the
on?
question. I understand the question, and people sometimes get it misconstrued. The thing about it is, if monkey see, why can't monkey do? Basically. But the thing about it is, to answer your question, and his too, because God said that's a no-no, first of all. There's no homosexuality is forbidden, and having 2 wives over in Israelites and whatnot, you know, it's forbidden because, you know, that's committing adultery.
But Tyra, I know you ain't gonna go there with the God thing, because God is all good.
But I'm just saying, as far as a rule and a law.
Okay, but
But you say
there's no
why?
but. Yeah, there's no but in God. But what I'm saying is, listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The Supreme Court in this land has allowed
Yeah.
2 men to marry, 2 women to marry.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying I'm for it or I'm against it. I'm here as the moderator to ask you guys questions. What I'm saying is, why shouldn't a man marry 2 wives now in America if they have went so far off the deep end to let the same sex marry? Why would that be far-fetched for two women to marry 1 man?
Well,
in this
it
country?
shouldn't be far-fetched, but it is, because it's not going to be able to be, you know, understood to a proper understanding that it's going to be equal. We can't get along with one another.
One.
We can't get along with each other.
Well, maybe-
And then you're talking about 2 men that...
Okay. Let's
no.
go to Mike. Mike, you hearing what?
Yeah, that's pretty much the same point I'm making as well. Is once you open one door, there's so many other things that's coming through that same door. As far as with the gay right, they whole act that they're